Good afternoon, everyone. This is Katie with the Perot Museum of Nature and Science, and it's time for everybody's most anticipated day of the year, Field Day. Woo! So join our Perot Museum educators as we 3. All right, way to go, good race. Our second event is our spoon race. For this, you need a spoon and an egg. You have to get to the finish line without breaking your egg. On your mark, get set, go! All right, good job, good job. Our third event is our 3-legged race. For this, you need a partner and something to tie your legs together. Make sure they're nice and tight, and make sure you're not gonna step on whatever it is you're tying them with. On your mark, get set, go! Way to go, guys. Now our fourth event is our sponge race. You're gonna need 2 buckets, 2 sponges, put some water in your bucket, and you take your sponge, you fill it up, run to the other finish line, and squeeze all the water into the other bucket. First team to fill up their bucket wins. Are you ready? On your mark, get set, go! Our last event is our egg toss. For this, you need a partner and an egg. All right, here we go. Are you ready, Gerald? Okay. Oh, well, it was a good try. Enjoy the activities. Bye.
Perot, this is an egg, baby. It's not a ball.